Morning everybody. Today in part 9 of matrices, I am going to discuss word problems and principle of mathematical induction to matrices. Let's start with question number 1. A bookstore has 20 mathematical books, 15 physics books and 12 chemistry books. Their selling prices are rupees 300, rupees 320 and rupees 340 each respectively. Find total amount the store will receive from selling all the items. Students, in this type of word problems, first we have to think. Here we are observing we have two parts: one, number of books; second, their costs. Now we have to make the matrix in such a way that the resultant is 1 by 1, because we have to find out the total cost. This is not for all the questions. For other questions we have to make the new formation also. So this is just like the hit and trial method. So in this part, if I am taking number of books in bookstore as a matrix A, this is 1 by 3 matrix. This is the price, matrix B. This is 3 by 1 matrix. Now look at this thing. If we will do the multiplication, then total cost AB is equals to, after multiplication we will get 1 by 1 matrix. So this is the answer. Now let's start with question number 2. Question number 2 is based on principle of mathematical induction. You know very well, we did this type of questions in 11th class. Same process we have to use here also, only in some part we will use the matrix multiplication. Let's solve this question. We have A is equals to this, then prove that An is this for all n belongs to n. Now look at this thing. As usual we will do Pn such that An is equals to 1 plus 2n minus 4n and 1 minus 2n. Now first of all what we will do, for n is equals to 1. For n is equals to 1, this means A1. It means 1 plus 2, 3, minus 4, 1, 1 minus 2, minus 1. Now this is already equals to A. Hence, which is true for n is equals to 1. Which is true for n is equals to 1. Now what is another step? Let Pn is true for n is equals to m. Let Pn is true for n is equals to m. It means Pn such that Am is equals to 1 plus 2m minus 4m and 1 minus 2m. Now what we will, this is the equation number 1. Now what we will show, that Pn is true for n is equals to n plus 1. It means now we will show that Pn is true for n is equals to m plus 1. And to prove that, we can use the equation number 1. So what we have to show, that Pn am plus 1. It means wherever there is n, we have to put m plus 1. 2m plus 1 minus 4 m plus 1 and m plus 1, 1 minus 2 m plus 1. This much we have to do. Now look at this thing. We will start with am plus 1. Am plus 1 means we can write down am into a. Okay. Now we will start with multiplication. What is the am from equation 1? 1 plus 2m minus 4m m 1 minus 2m. Now what is a? A is this one, 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. Now this is 2 by 2 matrix. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. Resultant will be 2 by 2 matrix. So let's start with multiplication. 1 plus 2m into 3. 1 plus 2m into 3 plus minus 4m into 1. Then 1 plus 2m into minus 4 plus minus 4m into minus 1. First row, first column, first row, second column. Now 3m plus 1 minus 2m into 1, then minus 4m plus minus 1 into 1 minus 2m. Now look at this thing. After calculation, am plus 1 is equals to, now 3 plus 6m, 3 plus 6m, and what is this thing? Minus 4m. This is minus 4 minus 8m, minus 4 minus 8m, and what is this thing? Minus minus plus 4m. What is this thing? 3m minus plus 1 minus 2m, and what is this? Minus 4m plus minus 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 1, and what is this? Minus minus plus 2m. Now if you will solve this thing, you just see this thing. What is the result of this thing? 3 plus 2m. And what we can write down? 3 plus 2m. 3 plus 2m we can write down in this way: 1 plus 2 into m plus 1. Reason? 2m plus 3. 2 plus 1, 3. In the same way, we will write down in this way: minus 4 into m plus 1. And what is this? M plus 1. And what is this? 1 minus 2 m plus 1. 2m plus 1. So this is the proof by principle of mathematical induction. Now look at this thing. These are the two questions. You have to solve this thing and give the answer in the comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the videos so that so many students take the benefits.